else has a huge ego?
Does their name start with a D?
It does.
Does their last name start with an L?
Yes.
I don't think I have to say anymore. If you've been watching on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, interviews, all over social media, ESPN, Busted Open Radio, The Nation Show, everything, we have some amazing things going on right now.
Speaking of the Busted Open Show,
Busted Open Radio,
WWE Hall of Famer, one of the hosts of Busted Open,
the world's strongest man, Mark Henry, waving to his fans, a true legend.
What a guy.
What a guy. He's such a better guy than David.
Everyone and anyone is showing out for this confrontation. So without further ado, let's bring it out from Busted Open Radio, LaGreca!
Well, thanks to our friends at The Nation Show and Busted Open Radio, we have the man himself, David LaGreca, host of the #1 sports radio show on Sirius XM.
We do. I mean, look, he brought security with him?
Wouldn't you?
Well, for a man who talks so much about himself, to come out with security.
You know, all David LaGreca wants is an apology from Thunder Rosa. But I think he knows he's got someone to compete with.
You know by now, and you should, I am the creator and the host of Busted Open on Sirius XM.
I mean, congratulations for that. That is something we cannot take away from him.
Just so happens to be the #1 sports talk radio show on Sirius XM.
Which is nothing to sneeze at.
Busted Open chance.
Mark Henry, Tommy Dreamer, Bully Ray, and the great Nikole. You know what? Listen. Each and every one of you tonight is a part of history. That's right. A part of history. Because here in Buda, Texas, we have made history tonight. Wait a second.
I'm not legally allowed to say anything, but the fans are speaking for themselves.
Tonight is the highest grossing event in the history of Mission Pro Wrestling.
That is facts. We have sold out here, and of course, everyone watching a title match.
Each and every one of you need to give yourself a round of applause for making history tonight.
You know what? I think this is one of the first times I've agreed with David LaGreca.
Yeah, this is the only time I've ever agreed with him.
One
Yeah.
person that you need to thank for making history tonight. And that person is me, David.
And there it goes out the window.
Yeah, I was worried about that.
That's right.
We talked about ego.
Let me hear the thank you.
His security is very excited, though.
And speaking of thank yous, and by the way, each and every woman that's a part of this roster in that locker room, you're welcome for the biggest night in the history of Mission Pro Wrestling.
Wow, David LaGreca certainly thinks highly of himself.
Yes, indeed.
That needs to tell me 4 words. And those words are thank you and I'm sorry.
Has he met Thunder Rosa? I mean, like, has he really met her?
The last one, not only on social media, but on my show, Busted Open.
Well, you brought her on. I mean,
And that muted piece of filth and trash is the one and only Thunder Rosa.
Strong words for la mera mera.
So Thunder Rosa, get your ass in this ring.
You know, I've never met somebody tell Thunder Rosa to get her ass in her own ring and live to tell about it.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone this excited to have a face-off with Thunder Rosa. He seems very confident.
Come on, honey, get in the ring.
Oh, honey. Oh my. That is some poisonous honey right there, Thunder Rosa.
He's really going to stand across from Thunder Rosa in her own ring at Mission Pro with expectations for the boss.
You see that opening right there? You can walk out right now. Just right out. Let me keep this straight. Let me keep this really, really straight. Just because you said you came here to make history, let me tell you something, honey. We've been busting our asses for almost over a year. And the people like women's wrestling, like your big ass nose wanna be whatever you want.
Preach.
And another thing, let's be honest, you're just trying to run my cocktails, honey, because I'm hot right now. Just like everyone else, but I'm not gonna get there. But you know what, David?
Wow, well, the crowd is duking it out here.
I don't know if it's really a fight.
You're super excited and you're probably sweating bullets and you're probably shaking your pants. But you know, I can kick your ass at any time, baby. At any time. But come over here. Come over here. I just want to smell something. You really, really smell like everything you say is bullshit.
You know what, Thunder Rosa? I'm a peaceful man. And tonight is history. Tonight we're making history. So, jacket.
Better not touch my mom.
Whoa, a Thunder Rosa t-shirt. Is this a
And
face-off?
I just happen to be wearing
Her
the
says
shirt
LaGreca sucks eggs,
of who
so.
I think is the best pro wrestler in the world today.
Oh, okay. Maybe LaGreca had a change of heart. No! No! The shirt that started it all! The Britt Baker t-shirt! Oh, no! Oh! Thunder Rosa manhandling David LaGreca into the turnbuckle!
Oh, chop night. Oh! The best chop of the night and kicks Dave LaGreca. Oh, and punches. Dave doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do at this point.
LaGreca's a sports broadcaster. This isn't something he's equipped to handle.
He should have known that when he decided to call out La Mera Mera.
Thunder Rosa taking David LaGreca on a tour of the ring here at Mission Pro. Oh!
And into the chest sinks La Rosa's boots. Thunder Rosa.
LaGreca's about to have a talk radio show without the talk with his jaw wired shut.
I mean, would that be a bad thing?
You asked that question, not me.
Oh! Thunder Rosa! Chop night at its finest.
Little English on it, extra sting!
Look at how red his chest is.
Oh, David LaGreca looking like a lobster chest.
Wait a second. Wait, stop. I got a gift for you. I got a gift. No gift.
A gift? Is he a masochist?
This is a real peace offering, maybe. But fool me once, shame on me. Fool you twice, shame on you. Rosa has to be held back.
Oh my
Thunder! Thunder's going after him!
Thunder out of the ring! We're gone! We're gone! That security cannot catch up!
Holy cannoli! You know what though? Something has to be said. Thunder Rosa went from the graveyards of Tijuana to the MMA cage to the historic main event of AEW to right here at Mission Pro Wrestling. What was David LaGreca expecting?
I don't know, but clearly he was going to use that. I mean, we have glass now in the ring. We're going to have to take a moment to clean up the chaos that LaGreca left behind.
Yeah, he certainly made an impact.
Yeah, sure. Yep, and again, the fans know exactly where it's at. You guys know where it's at. Mission Pro Wrestling here. We're going to take a moment to clean up this ring, and then we're going to get to your main event of the evening.